Morgan Stanley's Q2 results improved due to positive progress in macro concerns, completion of the E*TRADE back-office integration, new institutional initiatives, and strong performance under CCAR stress test. The company reported revenue of $13.5 billion and earnings per share of $1.24, beating the estimates. During the earnings call, Morgan Stanley's CEO James Gorman mentioned that the upcoming Basel III Endgame proposals could have an impact on the firm. He acknowledged that there are uncertainties surrounding these rules and how they may change the value proposition of the company. Gorman stated that the management team is prepared to address these changes and adjust strategic targets accordingly. However, he also emphasized the strong fundamentals of Morgan Stanley's business model and its ability to navigate through market challenges. During the earnings call, James Gorman highlighted that the Basel III Endgame proposals are still uncertain and may not be fully implemented in Europe. He mentioned that U.S. banks have strong capital positions, including Morgan Stanley, and expressed confidence in the management's ability to navigate any changes. Gorman stated that there will be an extensive comment period and expects the final rules to differ from the initial proposals. He also discussed the potential impact of standardized risk-weighted asset assessments on fee-based businesses, emphasizing the need for a sensible approach. Overall, he concluded that Morgan Stanley's strategy will not undergo significant shifts as a result of these regulatory changes. During the earnings call, Steven Chubak asked James Gorman about the impact of Basel III Endgame on Morgan Stanley's near-term buyback appetite and how they can mitigate the pressure on their businesses from potential risk-weighted asset (RWA) inflation. Gorman mentioned that they need to see the proposed rule first and expressed confidence in the regulatory body's willingness to hear comments from the industry. He emphasized the importance of capital changes resulting in the right economic outcome for the country and highlighted the bank's strong capital position. Regarding buybacks, Gorman stated that they would take advantage of stock weakness but be prudent. He also mentioned that the process of implementing Basel III Endgame could take several years. During the earnings call, Sharon Yeshaya discussed the movement of assets from the workplace channel to the advisor-led side, with encouraging signs of increased penetration. James Gorman expressed optimism about regulators listening to industry feedback on Basel III Endgame but emphasized the need to ensure the right outcome for the U.S. financial system. He mentioned that the proposal will include operational risk standardized approach to risk-weighted assets. For detailed summary and more features, go to earningsdigest.ai. Click subscribe to stay updated on earnings results of all major public companies.